Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to share files on your Redmi 17. So first of all, I want to quickly mention that if you want to share your file on another Redmi or Xiaomi device, you can use a pre-installed application on both phones, which is called ShareMe. It's pretty simple. You just give this application all the permissions on your phone, then select send on your Redmi, then you select the files that you want to share and tap send, and then you scan the QR code on another device. After you select receive on another device and get this QR code, you also have to have the Bluetooth enabled on both devices, and that's pretty much it. But if you are trying to send your files to another non-Redmi or non-Xiaomi device, I would much rather recommend using the QuickShare feature. That is pre-installed Android feature, and you can easily find it by swiping down the control center on your smartphone, making sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and holding your finger down on the QuickShare feature. Now we have to do this both on our Redmi and on another Android device. So on your Redmi, select send, and on another device, select receive. Then select your files that you want to send. Select the receiver and accept receiving this file on another device. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.